Now, so far I have discussed about the pattern of the question paper and some of the most important grammar questions that will be appearing in the examinations with certain examples. Now, I will be dealing with one of the most important and pertinent topic that is generally being asked. One question will appear in the SLC examination also, and generally we have found that students of average intelligence are not in a position to answer such questions unless they are very familiar with the concept. So therefore, I would like to take up that particular topic, that is articles. So let us focus on this, articles. See, every language has got its own style, and English has got its own style, and in English we find small letters like a and the. So these are some of the words which are found only in English. So this is the speciality of the language. So we have to understand the style of the language. So that's very, very important. So these articles help in improving the fluency of the language also. Now generally what happens in English, we have 5 vowel letters. That is A, E, I, O and U. These are the 5 vowel letters. Now they are called vowels, and before vowel letters, we have 20 vowel sounds. Generally students what do is that they write the letter word and before vowel letter, but it should be written before vowel sound, not before vowel letter. Now there are 2 types of articles in English. One is called the definite and the other one is the indefinite. The definite article is the, indefinite article is a or an. And most of the times in the SSLC examination they ask a question pertaining to indefinite article only, and a sentence will be given. For example, he is dash European. Now you will be asked to write a or an. Generally we have found that most of the students fill in a here, thinking that the letter E is a vowel letter, but E doesn't pronounce vowel sound. It is U, European. It is U sound here. U is a consonant sound. Okay. A is the correct answer. Okay. A is the correct answer because it is U is the consonant pronunciation here. He is a European and doesn't come here. So for example, another statement let me take up. He is dash one-eyed soldier. See here the word one. One produces consonant sound, not vowel. It is not on, it is one. So wo pronunciation, that is consonant sound. So therefore it is a or an. Here also you have to write a. So he is a European. He is a one-eyed soldier. So one is consonant pronunciation. This is also consonant pronunciation. This is also consonant pronunciation. So here you should remember the rule that before consonant pronunciation we have to use a, and before vowel pronunciation we have to use an. For example, umbrella. Here, even though the letter begins with the word vowel letter, but the pronunciation is consonant. See, umbrella, is a vowel sound. So therefore we have to use before umbrella an umbrella. See, another example I will give you. Umpire. So before the word umpire, because U, even though it is letter is vowel, the pronunciation is Letter is consonant, but the pronunciation is vowel. So therefore, an umpire. For example, another word, underaged. An underaged person. So these are some of the examples here. So just like that, see another example, let me take up here on this side. The word university. See, before this university, it is U. U is consonant sound, therefore we have to use the word A university. Unique. So before the word unique, we have to use the word A unique, because even though the letter is vowel, pronunciation is consonant. Then union, here also A union. Unit, A unit. So this is how it is there. So here what happens is that it is for improving the fluency. See, I have kept an ink bottle on the table. So when I say an ink bottle, there will be fluency. If I use A, then becomes I have to stop there. See, I have kept a ink bottle on the table. See, an ink bottle means there will be fluency of the word. So an orange, an ink bottle. So like that we have to use. So before vowel sound, we have to use an. Before consonant sound, we should use A. So this is the principle that you have to remember. Now for example, one more example let me take up. Generally, this is the word that is being used, honest. So here students tend to make mistake. See, the word H is silent. It is O, honest. So when it is honest, an honest person. So before honest we have to use an. He came an hour late. Hour. It is hour, not hour. It is hour. Therefore an hour late. See here what happens when I speak, there is continuous flow of words. See, he came an hour late. An hour late means there is continuous flow. If I use the word A, I have to stop. A, then I have to use hour. So therefore, one of the principles of using A or an is to improve the fluency of the language.